Good morning, everyone. It is January 12th, 2023, Thursday, and we have the S&P 500 here. And looking at news this morning, we had a CPI release at 8:30 a.m. So high impact news at 8:30 a.m. Let that absorb into the market before doing some analysis here. And as we go to the Dow Jones Index, you can see on the daily we are putting in a bearish candle at the moment, and we did reach supply prior to that at 200-ish, okay, in the supply zone here, in that area right there. Going down to the 4 hour to get a closer look, we see we've reached supply at 34200, okay, just shy of that 34400 region, where the supply is here, the order block. We've reached just below that as per this arrow, and now we are rejecting that level, and probably coming back down to 33500, something in that region. So just still bullish, but a pulling back in the bullish direction. Going down to the 1 hour, okay, this is happening live right now. We have our previous 3400 supply target. So one of the 3400 supply target, which has been penetrated on the 1 hour here, and it is now selling off back down to this area here at the moment on the 1 hour. That's what we're looking at. So we've had that move that we predicted, and now we're selling back down to here, okay, and let's see if this area here at 33700 holds. Why are we looking to hold there? We have order block through here, okay. It's quite a heavy sell-off at the moment though, so we're quite heavy selling. We had that initial selling here with that rejection, and then we're continuing to sell off hard now. So there's quite a bit of power to this sell-off. I wouldn't be surprised to see it push through down to this area here. We'll see how we go. And on the 1 minute, coming down to the 1 minute here, close up, our selling opportunities. Okay, yesterday we did come back down into this region here as predicted, like that. Push through up into here, got a nice sell here, and again another run up, okay, into supply up here, right up into the bands. This morning at 8:30, if you were trading this morning, lick in here at supply, okay, traverses down to the bottom of the riverbank, comes back up, comes straight back into supply. That beautiful mean reversion. Okay, so I'm sure some of you took this sell here, right? Got a nice one in there. Pat yourselves on the back if you took that one there this morning. And then we have this like push now to the bottom of the river. So I wouldn't be buying this at the moment. It's a very steep angle. It has pushed from the top of the riverbank to the bottom. So yes, there's some room for some buyback up to like here, but dare I say, continuation to the downside looks pretty strong, just because of the angle here, the way that it is cut down through here at the open, the index open, this pullback and this push to the downside. So my prediction for this session would be this kind of action, maybe something quite strong in that direction, okay. However, because of the shape here, how we've had this traversion from the top of the riverbank to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom, we could see another push up to this area here. If it does go up to that area there, we're going to get this kind of action, I believe, okay, through this order block. Where would there be a sell order worth taking in regards to scalping. Here is the supply zone I'm looking at. By the time it gets up to there, the river bank would have followed down to here, something like this. Okay, and that would be a nice sell there. So we'll be looking at something like that would be a good probability in regards to volatility. That's kind of the sell that I would be looking at in regards to scalping, sticking with our rules. Other than that, I'm sure anybody that was trading this morning has made a little bit of pocket here. Okay, I want to see how this pans out before I look at any buys. I need to see this come back up to this area first before coming back down here. If price pushes all the way up to this area, comes back down here like this, then for sure I'd look at a buy around here. Okay, I just need to see this kind of action, not a tight push like this. Okay, tight push like that is indicative of strong bearish momentum to the downside, and I don't want to be caught on the wrong side of that. So hopefully that's clear. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.